Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Updates, and today's video we're going to look at the live radar. You can see here we have plenty of snow showers coming up today. It'll be quite nice in terms of the weather today. However, in some areas we'll be seeing some snow showers and rain showers as well. We've even seen a little bit of snow in London today, as it's saying here on the radar. And we have plenty of snow in the Northern Highlands of Scotland. Now, if we keep running this one, we can see here, yep, we have that snow showers pushing in to Northern England, some in the Midlands there. Could mix in with some rain and sleet at times. We have, and you can see the temperatures. Just to let you know, the temperatures are dropping very gradually for tomorrow. But the highest today is going to be, obviously, in my area 2, but could see a high of 4 today, and that is it. Some areas barely above 0 in some areas. Now we have a few weather warnings to have a look at. We have 2 snow and ice warnings, and they're literally the same, but we'll have a look at them anyway. Further winter showers here in oh, actually it's expired, so probably not. But is this one expired? Ah, that's not expired. Alright, so a yellow warning for rain, sleet and snow showers leading to destruction. So we could see some roads and rail likely affected by Journey Tyneside Road. Icy patches on untreated roads and injuries on slips and falls on icy surfaces. We're going to see 2 to 5 centimeters and 5 to 10 centimeters and 200 meters. Where any thaw has occurred, icy stretches are likely to be accumulate. This warning has a medium likelihood and a low impact. And you can see here there is a yellow snow and ice warning for Western England and covering obviously Wales and Cornwall as well. Now, in my opinion, I feel like the ice warning should be a little bit extended. At least an ice warning should be around here because we have very bad ice in this area, causing school closures. And my school was closed today as well. Icy stretches and sleet and snow showers developing overnight, bringing some destruction, especially to travel. We could see some roads and railways likely to be affected. Probably some icy patches and slits and falls. So we have icy stretches are expected to develop due to ongoing wet surfaces. Obviously, falling rain earlier, and obviously in places can't snowmelt. So frequent sleet and snow showers are expected in these areas, Western England and Wales as well. So obviously in the Midlands and parts of Southern England, we could see accumulation of 2 to 4 centimeters above 200 meters, maybe at lower levels as well. Persistent shower bands in North Wales and in Peak District, 5 to 10 centimeters, and this warning has a medium likelihood and a low impact. We have a few snow and ice warnings also for Northern Ireland, again snow and ice patches, same reasons really. We have 5 centimeters of snow, and it has the same impacts as well. We also have a yellow warning for snow in the southern England. We have a weather system which is in the channel here. We'll be able to see it on UKV in a minute, which is going to be bring some southern counties some snow, which could be destructive. So we could see some power cuts, we could see routes cut off, and travel delays as well. So again, we can see outbreaks of snow as it's bringing out from the front. That's going to be hitting into the colder air, and it will turn to snow, so 2 to 5 centimeters widely, as much as 10 centimeters over high ground. Right, over north-east facing slopes, the rain I'll see is mostly in the coasts. Now, the weather system associated rainfall may across the mostly in the English Channel, may not even, as these will clear into Wednesday night. Ice is likely to form. This has a very low likelihood and a medium impact. That is all the weather warnings we're going to have a look at for today. Now we can see here we have plenty of snow showers today according to the UKV. Well, plenty of sunny spells though, but tomorrow we could see some further cloudiness pushing up from the south on Wednesday, so hopefully it won't be still as cold for the time, but it'll turn clear on Thursday. Bitterly cold temperatures as we run through here, but good still, no snow showers yet. But you can see here Friday, we can see here again, whitey cloudy with some snow showers in the north as well. And into Saturday, back to rain as there is a milder front pushing in. So looking like this cold spell is going to be for mostly this week. looking at temperatures, you can see here, again, barely above 0 in some areas. We're going to see highs of 4, 5, maybe 6 in an isolated area. But Northern England is very cold. On to Wednesday, it's just going to get even colder. It's going to get even more below 0, -5 possible in some areas tomorrow. And maybe even -10 in an isolated area. And these are the highest temperatures. We're going to see 3 degrees as the highest temperature. Most areas barely below 0. And the Wednesday night is even colder. I can see -14 there in an isolated area. But mostly -8 is possible in most areas in Northern England. In the south we could see just 0 degrees, -1. But in that Northern England, it's very, very cold. We could see a hard freeze possible in that area. On Friday, or Friday night, it's not as bitterly cold, but we could still see -10, -9 in an isolated area. On to Friday, it does start to kind of warm up a little bit for the highest temperatures on Saturday. Sorry, when we're looking at Friday? Yeah, that was Friday. Friday temperatures, again, barely below 0. -2 could be the highest on that. Now, we can see here there's mild air trying to push in on Saturday. Not nearly as cold as we've seen recently on Saturday. We're only going to see highs of 10 degrees possible as the mild air comes in. And it starts to make progress. So we are seeing signs that it will get a little bit milder to there. But we are in an area of very cold air with an area of low pressure bringing snow showers. That's further. It's moving further away as we speak. But you can see here there is some mild air bringing some high pressure systems as well into England. So shouldn't be too bad on that week. If we see here for next week, you can see here still encouraged by high pressure for next week. So next week could be mild but high pressure. So we'll have to see what happens there. Again, bitterly cold temperatures for this week as well. But you can see here mild air is pushing in for next week. Could see it's very mild air actually. Could see some teens popping into that mild air. Just start to kind of count them a little bit. But still very, very mild. Possible for next week. So complete opposite. But it's associated with high pressure, so shouldn't be as unsettled as we think, but that high pressure does start to break away into more low pressure, maybe getting to more wet and windy, and maybe even trying to get more cold snaps at the end of January, so that will maybe not last for at least a week. So yeah, please stay safe in these temperatures, very, very cold. Most in my area I'm getting to -8, which is very cold, so be safe in these very bitterly cold temperatures. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.